Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I clean my dishwasher and microwave. I'm going to use a baking soda and vinegar as a natural products because I have kids at home and I don't want any toxic fumes or anything in my house. So I will show you how I clean that. So this is my KitchenAid dishwasher. So what I do, I use some vinegar. I take a paper towel and I clean the sides first. So you can see some of the sides have so much accumulation of like white kind of particles, and I need to clean those. So I'm using vinegar to clean those. So we'll clean all the sides nicely so that there is no more accumulation and it's all clean and neat. Sometimes we have this stinky smell from the dishwasher, and that's one of the reason we should do it, because sometimes the food particles are stuck in the food collector and they start to smell bad, which is not good because it gives um, more area for bacteria to grow. So we really need to clean at least once a week nicely. We should clean the dishwasher. So I'm going to use baking soda and vinegar to clean the inner part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the food collector and clean it, wash it nicely and put it back. So now I'm going to spray the baking soda all over the dishwasher, and then I'm gonna take vinegar and spray it all over the vinegar baking soda. You can see the bubbles, the reaction. This is what we need to clean. And then I'm gonna run the dishwasher for like 5 minutes at rinse only cycle. So now I'm gonna clean the outside with the vinegar. So with the steel appliances, the problem is you can usually, even if you clean it, you can usually see the lines. So the trick is you have to clean in the direction of the grains. So if you can if you can see how your grains are, like in which direction, you can clean in that direction. So for my dishwasher, I'm gonna clean the horizontal because my dishwasher grains are in horizontal. I'm going to use this cloth. It's a microfiber cloth which is really good for cleaning, and I'm gonna use a zigzag action to clean. So it's really good trick. You can use it, and I use all my steel appliances in that way, and it's really helpful. So I'm gonna use a paper towel, a dry paper towel, to remove all the excess product from the steel appliances so that I don't see um, anything stuck on the, like sometimes we clean it and then we see this white line. So if you clean it nicely, you don't see those, and it's like all shiny. As you can see, it's all clean now. So now we are gonna clean the microwave. You can see there are so many fingerprints and all these nasty stuff there. I'm gonna take some vinegar and baking soda again, and I'm gonna make a paste out of it. So you can see those, that's the reaction which takes out all the grease and all those dust from that surface. So I'm gonna use this paste inside and outside of the microwave and scrub it nicely and gently. So it's gonna remove all the um, oil and all the extra things that are stuck on the surface, and it's hard to clean. So that's how I'm gonna clean it. Once you are done with scrubbing, you can scrub the outside as well. And then it's time to clean it up. So you're going to take a paper towel first because there is some product there. You want to remove it before you use the microfiber cloth. So once it's done, you can actually clean the inside. And once all the um, baking soda thing is gone, then you can use the microfiber cloth again to clean it nicely and make it shinier. So this is a really good habit to clean all your appliances once a week, because sometimes the food is stuck there and start to smell, which is not good, especially when you have kids at home. You don't want any bacteria to grow in your house. And all the chemical products are not good to use because it's dangerous if they are in reach of kids, and also if they create a toxic fumes which is not good for health if you breathe them. So this is how I clean my dishwasher and my microwave. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you tried this method and how it worked for you. Thank you. See you. Bye.